So yes, my people, so today I'm going to make a Mexican dish. It's called enchilada. So I prepped most of my stuff already. So I already have my sauce already pre-built. We don't have to do it. So I have it in my pot here. I'm just warming it up so it get a little thicker. So this is the sauce. So I'm using some onion and some garlic. So I'm using the taco seasoning. And I'm using grind turkey. my turkey is done. So I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna fry my tortilla. So I add a little cheese to my grind turkey and just mix it up. Just a little bit of cheese because I'm going to add some more cheese into my tortillas. Okay. All right, there you go. So I dip my tortilla into my sauce. Then I'm going to add my meat. I'm gonna add a little meat, just a little bit of meat, not a lot. And also took it out of this, I'm gonna dip it right into my sauce. Bam! And then I'm taking it out of my sauce and into my pan. Then I'm gonna add a little meat with the cheese. And also I'm going to just add a little more cheese. And then I'm going to roll it. That is it, my people. That's two. We have a far way to go. So here you go. If you try to roll this, it's gonna broke in the middle. It's gonna broke. See, it's broke. I try to roll it, it's broke. But when you fried it, you can always roll it and it don't broke. I just use that as an example to show you that the reason why we're frying the tortilla. And don't fry too much. If you fry too much, you're not gonna be able to roll it either. You just need to warm up in there for a couple of seconds on one side and a couple of seconds on the other side, and you flip it over so you just soften it up. So I'm gonna just put a couple slices of cheese on top because I don't have enough cheese, shredded cheese. So I'm gonna just put a couple of these on top of it so it can be melted when it's going in the oven. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes so my cheese can just melt it, and then it's gonna be ready. See you as soon as I take it out of the oven. This is my enchilada out of the oven. Look at it. So I'm gonna dive into it and take 2 out of it and see how it works. It's my first time. Don't bash me now. It's my first time making enchilada. Ooh, it's juicy. That's what I know so far. It's still hot. It's a lot of juice to it, so. And here I have, over here I have some refried beans over here, so I'm gonna just put it to the side. And I'm gonna taste it and tell you how it tastes. So that's my enchilada. So this is my enchilada. Look at it. It's so juicy. This is my first time, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give you my opinion, my honest opinion on it, because it's my first time making it. And to be honest with you, I don't know how it tastes yet. So I'm gonna tell you what it needs, or if I can do better later. Okay? So let me go. Let's go. You ready? It tastes good. It tastes good. It really tastes good. Look how juicy it is. It tastes good. It's my first time, so don't bash me, but it's really, really, really tastes good. It's really, 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 really tastes good. I feel like I could finish all of this. The next time I'm gonna do it with beef. This is turkey, but this is really good. Normally the turkey dry, but this is juicy. And I can taste the sauce, the tomato sauce, what I dip it in. And it has a little crunch to the tortillas, which is really, really, really good. Because I was worried about the tortilla not gonna be crunchy. Oh man, the more I get into it, the more it tastes better. Wait. I want to finish my plate. But before, just remember to touch that subscribe button. Touch that like button. And share it too. Tell them a Jamaican is over here making enchiladas. Enchiladas. I'm finishing my plate. My plate is done. So look my people. So like, share, and subscribe. Today is my first day making enchilada, and it really came out good. Better than I expect, cause I was wondering, I copycat AB, and it's really, 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 really come out good. So shout out to AB. I copycat you and your enchilada. I put a little twist to it, but I copycat you. So guess what? Shout out to AB and like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on